So if you're having trouble priming this filter, what I found was a good fix is to turn it down all the way. And if the water is not coming out of the output, take your bucket and then you take the output, take it out from the take it out of the fish tank, drop it down so that the gravity will pull it. I can't do a demonstration on what I actually mean, but you take this piece off, put it in your bucket, drop it down, and then it should prime the filter. This is just my troubleshooting video on this filter. I hate it. It's like some top fin filter. And then once it starts going, you can actually turn it back up, and then it'll start flowing again like normal. Yeah, it is a top fin filter, and yeah, I've been having problems with it for like the longest time, and that was my fix for it. So if you're having a hard time priming this filter, you could try those steps and see if it'll work for you.